And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 112. Let me show the basics of warping text. You can directly apply that to text, so nothing else is needed. Use the type tool, type it in. And if it's selected, you can see at the top, the Make Envelope button. There's also an options drop down, but what we need is the button. And you have 3 sliders for all of these styles. The default should be an arc, and then horizontal and vertical direction is simply a direction skew. You can see it here specifically for vertical, it simply gets rotated in that axis. But the intensity, this is adjusted using the bend, and you can go in a positive direction and a negative. In this case for the arc, it bends it upwards in positive, downwards in negative. And you can also flip it from horizontal to vertical. And then we have the styles, and these are not presets or something, so it actually has a huge impact what you pick here. For example, here for the arc lower, it only gets bent then in the row direction, while the upper border of your text, the upper bounding box, stays intact. A couple of typical effects, for example, fish eye, pretty sure you've seen that, and wave. And once again, you can combine that with the distortion direction. If you don't see that effect applied in real time, just check the box for preview at the bottom left of this menu, and then you should see it as you adjust it using the sliders. Don't forget to confirm you're okay when you've got what you want, and these are the basics of warping text in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.